If you've been thinking about making your business official in Canada, but you're not sure where to start, this video is exactly what you need. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nwaeze. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to register your business in Canada under 15 minutes using a platform called Ownr. Whether you're a freelancer, an online seller, a consultant, or someone who is running a side hustle for a while, this tutorial will show you exactly how to get your business legally registered quickly and affordably. By the end of this video, you know exactly what to do and you have no more excuses to delay making your business official. So let's get right into it. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my content in business, finance, and entrepreneurship in Canada. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly talk about why registering your business actually matters, because a lot of people skip this part and it costs them later. First of all, a registered business gives you credibility. When clients, customers, or vendors see that you have an official business name, business bank accounts, etc., they take you more seriously. It signals that you're a professional and you are here for a long term. Number two, you need a registered business to open a business bank account. Most Canadian banks require proof of business registration before they open a commercial account in their business name. And also, keeping your business and your personal finances separate is one of the most important habits you can build as an entrepreneur. Number three, registering your business protects your business name. Once your name is registered in your province or federally, no one else in that jurisdiction can operate under the same name. Number four, and this is very important for anyone earning income from the business, the Canada Revenue Agency or CRA requires you to report your business income. Registering your business makes it more easier to do this correctly and take advantage of business deductions. So now that we understand why business registration matters, let's talk about how to actually do it. The platform we are going to use today is called Ownr. It's a Canadian business registration platform that makes it incredibly simple to register a business online without needing to hire a lawyer or an accountant. Ownr is backed by RBC, that's the Royal Bank of Canada, which is one of the largest banks in the country. That means you're using a platform that is credible, secure, and trusted by thousands of Canadian entrepreneurs. Here's what makes Ownr stand out. Number one, is very fast. You can complete your registration in as little as a few minutes, all online. Number two, is affordable. Compared to paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars in legal fees to incorporate, Ownr's pricing is very accessible. Number three is comprehensive. Ownr handles not just registration, but also provide business documents, a minute book for incorporation, and ongoing support to keep your business compliant. It handles both sole proprietorship and incorporations. So whether you want to keep things simple or go the full corporate route, Ownr has a plan for you. The link to get started with Ownr is in the description of this video. Go ahead and open it in a new tab as we go through this tutorial so you can follow along in real time. When you first open Ownr, the decision you need to make is whether you want to register as a sole proprietor or incorporate your business. Let me explain both quickly. A sole proprietor is the simplest business structure. You and your business are legally the same entity. There's no separation between your personal and your business assets. It is the cheapest and fastest option, which is ideal if you're just starting out, testing an idea, or running a small freelance or service-based business. An incorporation, on the other hand, creates a separate legal entity. Your business becomes its own person in the eyes of the law. This means your personal assets are protected if your business faces legal trouble or debts. It also comes with tax advantages as your business grows because Canadian corporations are taxed at lower rates than personal income. For most people just starting out, a sole proprietorship is a great first step. For people who are earning higher income from their business, who wants liability protection, or who plans to bring in investors or partners, incorporation is the right move. You can always start as a sole proprietor and incorporate later. In fact, many entrepreneurs do exactly that. Ownr makes both parts simple. In this tutorial, we are going to walk through the process for both, so you can follow along no matter which part you choose. Alright, so let's get into the actual steps. Here is how to register your business in Canada using Ownr. Step 1. Go to Ownr's website. The link is in the description of this video. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the homepage as shown on my screen. First, click on the button that says Get Started Now. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to choose a province. This is important because business registration rules vary by province in Canada. Ownr supports most Canadian provinces for sole proprietorship registration and offers federal incorporation as well. Ontario, British Columbia, and Alberta are generally considered the best provinces for foreigners to register a business. Ontario Toronto is a hub of finance and technology. British Columbia offers excellent access to Pacific markets, and Alberta is the best for low taxes, about 11.5% corporate rate, and also is more affordable. So go ahead and select a province and proceed by clicking the next button. On this next page, you will see options to register as a sole proprietor or to incorporate. Click on whichever option applies to you. I've already explained the difference between them, so you should already know by now which one is best for you. Next step requires you to name your company. So choose name company, then enter the name of your business. Go ahead and select any legal ending. It doesn't really matter which one you select. Just choose the one you like and proceed. You will notice while entering your name, the system will be telling you if your name is available or not. So you don't need to wait long for name availability. Everything happens instantly. After that, the next page is your registration page. Go ahead and enter your name, your email address, and your password. Remember, the email and password you enter here is what you need to log into your dashboard later. So make sure everything is correct. Now you'll be asked to log in. Go ahead and enter the email you entered earlier. Now enter your password to verify your login. As soon as you are logged in, you'll be asked to verify your email. Check your inbox and follow the instruction to verify your email. It usually involves clicking the link sent to you and your account will be automatically verified. Congratulations, if you have gotten to this step, your account is now verified. Go ahead and click the button that says Proceed to Ownr. You'll be redirected to your dashboard. The first thing to do here is to understand what is required of you. I'm going to guide you all the way to the finish line. If you are not from Canada, make sure that you uncheck the box that says I am a Canadian resident. This will tell them that you are registering as a foreigner. However, if you are a Canadian, make sure to check the box. Now you need two things here, a Canadian address and a Canadian phone number, which is easy to get. Check the description of this video. You will find the link for both the address and the phone number. Make sure that the address you are buying is the same with the one you selected during your business registration. Now back to our dashboard. As a foreigner, make sure to select my company would be a provincial Canadian incorporated in Alberta or any province you choose. If you select federal, you'll be asked to bring a Canadian ID or USA ID. So avoid that if you're registering as a foreigner. Now go ahead and enter the address you just bought from Anytime Mailbox. Link is in the description of this video. Next, select the industry of your business. And then select the month you want to be your tax month. This is known as fiscal year end, when you'll be filing your tax every year. After completing this, the next page is just to confirm your business name. You can make any changes if you want. Next page is for you to select the agent for service. This is the person who is located in the province you selected and can accept mail on behalf of the corporation. Go ahead and select yourself because you only have an address that you bought earlier, remember. So if they send you anything in the future, the company will deliver it to you wherever you are in the world. Next, select the company directors and officers. If you are the only one, then select by myself. But if you have other directors for the business, go ahead and select with others. Let me assume you selected by myself. You'll be taken to the next page where you will indicate how many percent ownership you have of the company. If it's only you, then it should be 100%. But if you own the company with others, then enter how much ownership percentage each founder has. Once you are done, proceed to the payment page. Here you'll see two options, the basic plan and the pro plan. Now, I strongly recommend you select the Pro plan. The main reason for this is so that you will get your GST/HST number. Without this number, your business registration is not complete because you can't file your tax, you cannot open Stripe accounts, and all sorts of benefits that you are supposed to enjoy as a business owner. So go ahead and select the Pro plan, skip the optional add-ons if you don't want it, and then proceed to the checkout page. Enter your billing information and proceed. Now enter your credit card or debit card number for payment. After that, review all the information you have entered, make any correction, then submit your application. You will receive your documents within a very short time, sometimes within minutes, sometimes a few hours depending on the province. You will receive your official registration document by email and they will also be saved on your Ownr dashboard. And that's it, your business is officially registered in Canada. After registration, Ownr also gives you access to useful resources like business document templates and guidance on next steps like opening a business bank account. Once your business is registered, here are the important steps you should take. Number 1, open a business bank account. Now that you have your registration documents, go to your bank or any Canadian bank and open a dedicated bank account for your business. Keep your business income and expenses completely separate from your personal finances. Number 2, keep records. From day 1, track all your business income and expenses. Use QuickBooks, Deal, and other software listed in the description of this video to organize your business books. Number 3, get the right insurance. Depending on your industry, you may want to look into business liability insurance to protect yourself. Number 4, Set up a professional online presence. Now that your business is official, it's time to set up a website, a Google business profile, and any social media page you need. Luckily for you, I offer these services. Having an official business registration gives your brand a foundation to build on. These steps will help you hit the ground running as a properly established Canadian business owner. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to registering your business in Canada using Ownr. The entire process is straightforward and affordable, and you can do it all from the comfort of your home. The link to get started with Ownr is in the description of this video. Click on it, follow the steps we walked through today, and get your business officially registered. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps this channel reach more aspiring entrepreneurs. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Don't forget to subscribe to Nwaeze for more content on business, finance, and building your entrepreneurial journey in Canada. And I'll see you in the next video.